simplify the question. To simplify this one, we must see the base. So here base 2 is there, base 8 is there, base 16 is there. We must modify this base and we must write it as in terms of lowest base 2. So 8 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 3. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is nothing but 2 power 4. So here we write it this one 2 power 7b minus 2a. So here 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power 2a minus b dividing by 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 whole power a plus b. Now we know that a power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n, as well as a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. So using these two, so first we write the first term as it is. So second term we write it as 2, this power 3 multiplied with both the term. So 3 into 2a 6a minus 3 into b is 3b dividing by, so denominator also 4 should be multiplied with both the term, 4a plus 4b. Now we have the property as well as law, base are same, numerator in terms of multiplication we add the power, 7b minus 2a plus 6a minus 3b. So denominator same base is there, we can bring it to numerator. If we bring it to numerator, 4a minus 4b, minus should be applied for both the term. So we add the same terms, 7b minus 3b is 4b, 4b minus 4b is 0. So we are getting 0b. Similarly 6a minus 2a is 4a, 4a minus 4a is 0. So 0a. So both are power 0, it is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 0 is 1.